Why does your scanner show the P1299 engine code? And what does it mean? The P1299 engine error code stands for Cylinder Head Temperature Sensor Detected Engine Overheating Condition. The P1299 engine error code indicates that the cylinder head temperature has exceeded a safe range and that the engine is overheating. It means that an engine overheat condition was detected by the cylinder head temperature sensor. In this case, stop driving and fix your car immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low coolant, airflow, thermostat, water pump, cooling fan, wiring, open circuits, towing capacity. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles from 1996 till now. It can be found in various vehicle makes and models. It is commonly found in Jeep, Dodge, Mazda, Chevrolet, Ford, Kia, Nissan, Hyundai, Honda, Toyota, and many more car manufacturers. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.